Many of us spent the morning clearing snow from our sidewalks or driveways, a job that can be tough on the body. Frankie McClister joins us live from Minneapolis. And Frankie, what are the conditions looking like where you are?
Yeah, hi there, Shayla. Well, number one, let it snow that flurries are still coming down right here. I want to mention something that we have noticed this morning. Streets, so you can see our photojournalist Dave is showing us right now, are much different than we'll show you over here, some sidewalks. And that's because obviously it's past the noon hour right now. People have gotten to it, but there's plenty of people who haven't. So we spoke with a cardiologist who says there are some things that you need to worry about if you are out and about and got some work to do. Now, activities like shoveling can raise your heart rate, which is something to watch out for if you don't especially get physical activity on a daily basis. And for those who don't, Hennepin Healthcare says it can trigger a heart attack, especially lifting heavy, wet snow. That right there can undo stress on your heart. And if you're wondering if you're someone that this can pertain to, here right now is a good measurement.
If it would be hard to walk up a couple of flights of stairs, shoveling is probably too hard for them.
We got way more snow than I was expecting. Like, I knew we were gonna get something from last night, but I didn't realize it was gonna be a whole-on, national weather forecast.
A whole on national weather forecast. Now, they say if you do feel some stress in your heart, just simply stop. It's not even worth it. That's when you should probably pay your neighborhood friend or child to do so. Now, Mayo Clinic, we also looked up some of their information. They online say it's important when you are shoveling to remember not to use your back so much, but kind of just bend at your knees. Shayla, I'm gonna try and do this best as possible right here. You know what I mean? Try and get some of that ice down there. It's pretty deep, as you can say. Try my best right there, but really just focus on those knees, okay? We'll send it back to you.
All right, no shortage of room to practice, that's for sure, Frankie.
Nope.
Thanks so much for your report.